Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I will show you how to add and create one partition in the Linux using VMware. So let's get started with it. Go to the VMware. First of all, log in as super user. Now enter the command fdisk-l. So what this command does, it will show you the list of all the partitions present in the system. So here you can check that /dev/sda partition which I had created at the starting of the installation of the Linux system is already present, which is of size 21.5 GB. It is further subdivided into two sub-partitions, which is SDA1 and SDA2. SDA1 is of size 18.8 GB while SDA2 is of size 2.1 GB. This is the partition which I had created for swap memory area. Now suppose if you want to add one new partition to the system, then go to the option VM, go to the settings option. Here you can see that already hard disk of 20 GB has been added while installing the system. Now if you want to add one more partition, then click on add option, go to the hard disk, click on next, click the option SCSI which is recommended, go to the next, create a new virtual disk, click on next. Now here you can give the size of the partition that you want to create. So here the default 20 GB has been given, but I want to create the partition of 10 GB, so I will give 10. Click on the option store virtual disk as single file, go to the next, click on finish. Now you can see the new hard disk of 10 GB has been added. Click on OK. Now if you want to see that whether the partition has been added to the list or not, again execute the command fdisk-l. Here you can see the list of the partition table has not been updated. So what you will have to do, you will have to restart the system again to update the list of partition table. So now click on this option, click on the restart guest. After restart your system, again log in as a super user. Now execute the command fdisk-l. Now here you can see now the list has been updated and that I have added of 10 GB has been added using the partition name called /dev/sdb. Now the partition has been created, but if you want to access this partition, you will not be able to, because to access any type of partition, you will have to first format it with some file system. As the Linux supports ext4 file system, so you will have to first format this SDB partition that I have created of 10 GB with ext4 file system. So there is a command called mkfs.ext4. This command is responsible for formatting the partition with ext4 file system. So mkfs.ext4 space the partition name, which is /dev/sdb. Press enter. Now what it is asking that, do you want to format the whole partition with the ext4 file system? Now press Y, press enter. Now what it has done, it has formatted the partition with the ext4 file system. Now you have created the partition and also formatted the partition with the ext4 file system. Now if you want to access that particular partition, you will have to mount it. There is a command called df-h. which shows a list of all the partitions which are present in the system. It also shows the size and the amount of memory which has been used in that particular partition, and also the amount of space which is free for use. It also mentions the mount point through which we can access that particular partition. Suppose this is the /dev/sda1 partition, which can be accessed via the mount point /boot. Here the partition that I have created, which is /dev/sdb, is not available to use because I have not created any kind of mount point to it. Now to create a point, you will have to create one directory. There is a command called mkdir space, say the directory name is /dir1. Now enter the command mount /partition name /directory name. Now again enter the command df-h. Now here you can see the partition that I have created has been mounted and is now available to use. So in this way you can add, create, format and access the particular partition that you have added in the system. I hope you like this video. For more videos, please stay tuned. Thank you very much.